Hi, rKavanaugh here with BISH'S RV here in very sunny Junction City, Oregon. Today I'd like to show you this extremely nice 2016 Fleetwood Terra 34B. It's got three really big slide outs. This is the bunkhouse version, so it has two nice bunks on the inside with TVs. Also on the outside, it's got a nice big TV for viewing while camping outside. It also has these, really nice storage doors that I'd like to show you. Just from working here, a lot of people have talked about this, so this is nice. The storage bay doors open like this versus opening up. A lot of people like that, so lots of storage on this 34-foot unit. Plenty of storage. But what's really nice is the storage bay doors open sideways. It's something I've observed a lot of customers love that. Here's the big TV. Of course, this motorhome is full body paint. It's in perfect shape, especially for a 2016. Let's go inside and have a look. So a really nice floor plan here for a 34-foot unit. You got an extra plush sofa, which converts into a bed. Across here in the galley, lots of counter space. You've got these parts here that are real nice because this adds to your counter space, and you can store things in here while traveling. So they fit nice and flush. This is solid surface, very nice. The cabinet doors work great, lots of shelving space. Very large microwave. This is also a convection oven, but you also have a traditional oven, and it's gas operated, and then you got the gas burning stove here. An extra large Dometic freezer and refrigerator. That's pretty large for an RV. And what's nice about this, even though it looks like a residential refrigerator, it's actually an RV refrigerator, meaning it'll operate on gas as well as electricity. So if you're into boondocking, this is the one to have. So across here, you've got a nice booth, extra plush cushions. They're in really good shape. And of course, up against the wall here, you have a 32-inch flat screen TV, fully integrated, built-in speakers, very nice. As we move back, you have a very large bathroom and shower. And then look at this. You've got dual bunks for kids or adults. It's got, each one has a drop-down DVD player. Very cool. The kids would love it. Little bit of privacy here. And they also have ladders, so very nice for kids, or you can use it for storage. As we move back into the bedroom, look at this space right here. Lots of space here. You can almost set up a gymnasium in here. You got a walk-around bed. Very nice. Sit back, read. Lots of natural light. A huge sliding mirror. Very much like a residential feel. So lots of space in here. And again, you also have an integrated flat screen TV, looks like a 24-inch with a built-in DVD player as well. And again, more storage. And you got this nice big sliding door for privacy. Pretty nice 2016 Fleetwood Terra 34B. Lots of space here. Great for families, great for couples. Come on out, have a look at this one or any other one. Again, rKavanaugh here with BISH'S RV in Junction City. Give me a call. Ask for me, rKavanaugh. Hope to see you soon.